Let's get you ready.
No. Wait, what?
Now you can't see anything, right? Don't cut yourself. Focus.
Okay, here we go.
Chef enthusiast. Chef enthusiast.
Hello, my fellow chef knives enthusiasts. This is a beautiful Wakui. It's not my knife, unfortunately, because it's Walid's knife. Can you tell something about this beautiful blade over here?
So this is a collaboration work, really nice one. So the Damascus comes from Achim Wirtz, and Wakui forged it and heat treated it, and JNS did the finishing. I saw that knife, I fell in love.
You fell in love with two of them, actually?
That's true, that's true.
Because he's also buying a bunka. And this one is a 240mm Gyuto. It's
a hefty beast.
How many grams was it?
342 apparently.
342 grams. We are doing this video because we saw Murray Carter doing this sharpening session, but then blindfolded. And we were like, oh, that's so lame. But since we have a beautiful knife over here and a cucumber, I was thinking about cutting the cucumber blindfolded with this beautiful unicorn blade.
Let's get you ready. Beyond this, you should not be able to see anything.
No.
But let's make it extra like it was done.
Wait, what?
Now you can't see anything, right? How many fingers do I have in front of your eyes?
None.
Oh, I don't have my hand in front of me.
That was just a lucky guess.
That was a lucky guess.
Let's see. This is the cucumber head going off. Ooh, man. Without having to do anything. Okay, let's see.
Don't cut yourself. Focus.
Okay, here we go. Don't try this at home, people. So that's a push cut. Let's see if I can do a pull cut. Oh! Push cut, pull cut, push cut, pull cut, push cut, pull cut, push cut, pull cut. How did I do?
Not bad at all.
Now let's see if it can chop.
Ooh.
No problem. Cutting a cucumber blindfolded with a unicorn blade, it's that easy. Don't try it at home. Bye bye.
Don't hit the like and subscribe button, nor the notification bell, and don't even think of becoming a member. It will only encourage him to continue making content for this channel. That's not what the internet needs.
Nicely done, by the way.
Yeah, it's not even everywhere, the cucumber.
Bye, humans. Try not to cut yourselves.
Chef enthusiast. Chef enthusiast.